Hey everybody, welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Buell. Today is Friday, January 16th. Hope you guys have good plans for the upcoming 3-day weekend here. Hey, we got a bit of economic news release scheduled for today. We'll start off with the Consumer Price Index, also known as the CPI. This is the one of the important inflation numbers that we look at because it's based on the consumer side. So back in October or November rather, we had a pullback of a negative 0.3%, and the forecast is supposed to be at negative 0.4, and it did pull back at forecast, so right in range here. And this is one of the biggest decreases in inflation due to the cut in gas prices. Now, if you strip out food and energy, we had back in November a 0.1% growth, and the forecast was supposed to continue to go up, but it actually came at zero. So we had no inflation basically in the month of December when you take out food and energy. So the core is kind of what the Fed really looks at, primarily because the volatility of food and energy. So they kind of look more at the core. Now we also had industrial production for the month of December. So in November we had an increase of industrial production at 1.3%. But it contracted a little. The forecast was supposed to contract to 0.2%, and it contracted some, but not as drastic as we thought at negative 0.1%. Our capacity utilization for the month of December, as we can see, it went down. So in the month of November, we had 80% of capacity utilization. It was supposed to hedge back a little bit, 79.8, and it, just a slight 79.9%. So not a big deal right there. It's still within range. And again, of course, we're talking about December where we had the holidays. Consumer sentiment. People are feeling much, much better. As you can see here, we had a 93.6 back in December. We had a forecast that was supposed to go up to 95, and it exceeded at 98.2. So this is a good number. People are feeling better about things, where things are moving. Now, this is the first revision here. We'll get another revision probably towards later in the month, but good start to the new year. Let's go ahead and look here. We got the stock markets actually up today, all across the board. So after a big sell-off yesterday and pretty much this whole week, even though we're up today, most likely we'll probably end the week at a losing note in the equity markets here. The bond market, it pulled back slightly because some of the money from the bond market that were put there for flight safety are going back into the equity markets, which is the reason why the equity markets are up a little bit. But, even though rates pricing did worsen a little bit, but again, rates are still looking very good here in this level here. So don't be too distraught about rates here. Rates are still looking good here. So we'll have a 3-day weekend here. So next time we'll see you guys will be on Tuesday. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great upcoming weekend here. I hope you guys got wonderful plans in store. And hey, also don't forget, I am a mortgage originator here. So if you need any pre-approvals or any refinances, I'm hopefully your guy here. I am licensed here in the state of California. Love to be able to talk to you guys a little bit further about it. We also have some great loan programs. One niche program we have that's wonderful is helping people who went through BKs, through short sales and foreclosures, get back into the market in as little as 1 to 2 years. We can help people that went through those ordeals get back into the market, into hopefully that house they've been wanting to buy again. So keep us in mind if you know anyone like in that area. All right, have a good day, and thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on Tuesday. Take care.